Alrighty, there was actually one more step you have to do to post grades completely. I am sorry that I missed that part when I sent out the video earlier. But after you do the posting through the regular way that I told you by post grades, and then when the grades turn green, after that you have to go back to your grading page. If you hover over where it says PR1 for Progress Report 1, it's going to say grade posting status for midterm PR1. When you click on that, you have to actually click on the posting complete and mark all as completed. Once you are done with that, you are completely done. So let me show you one more. I'm going to go to my social studies. And when I go to my social studies grade, if I can find the course, let me go to health. When I go to health, again, posting grade first through the regular way with the earlier video. After the grades turn green, you are going to go back and hover over PR1 under options, and it will say grade posting status for midterm PR1. Once you are done with that, you are going to click on posting complete and mark all as completed. That was the last step that you have to do in order for the admins to see your grade on the Skyward from their end. So once again, sorry about the confusion. After you posted, I'll do it one more time. Posting, post grades. After this turns green, after the saving button, you are going to go back to back page. Go to hover over PR1 where it says options. Grade posting status midterm PR1. You have to click on posting complete and mark all as completed. So sorry about the confusion. Once again, you have 2 steps to do in order for you to post the grades completely. So please do this as soon as possible so admins can see your grades. Thank you.